Hello, it's Jackie Green at GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through training and educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to use the mirror functions in Revit. After you complete this video, you will be able to quickly mirror elements and components. This is useful in a number of situations. To help you practice, I've included the exercise file that you can use to follow along with the video. Open How to Mirror exercise. In here it includes one exercise and two practices for each mirror tool. There are actually two mirror tools in Revit, Mirror Pick Axis and Mirror Draw Axis. Now that you have the exercise open, let's zoom into exercise 1. We're going to start with mirroring the chairs using the table as our pick axis. To do this, we first select the item we want to mirror. I'm going to select the chair. And then I'm going to go up to under Modify. In our tab, we have Mirror Pick Axis. The shortcut here is MM. We'll use the table. In the middle, it'll find the axis. And if we click that, the chair will duplicate a mirror on the other side. We can do the same thing by selecting these other chairs, holding Control to select both, go up to Mirror or hit MM, and we can select those chairs. Pretty easy, right? Okay, let's move over to practice 1. In this, we have a single occupancy restroom, and we need a second one. So we can actually select all elements at one time that we want to mirror. I'm going to hit the control button, hit the door, the toilet, and the sink. I hit MM for mirror, pick the center line of the wall, and voila, there we go. We have duplicated it, mirrored it from the original. Now you can pause the video and work on practice exercise 2. Okay, now we're going to learn how to mirror components or elements using the Mirror Draw axis. I have zoomed in here to exercise 1. I have highlighted, holding Control down, the walls that I actually want to mirror. And now I'm going to go up to the Mirror Draw axis in my tab. The shortcut for this is DM. I select here. I will move down and find the midpoint of my wall to create my axis. I click once at the top. I will move my cursor down, click at the bottom, and there we go. It's an imaginary axis that I've created using the Draw Axis mirroring tool. Okay, now let's move over to practice 1, Mirror Draw Axis. Here I have a table and chairs, and I actually want to duplicate this. So I'm going to select this group that I've created, which with the table and chairs. I'm going to again choose the Draw Axis. And at this point I can find the midpoint of my space, draw an imaginary line, and there we go. I have actually created a second version of the same table and chairs. I again can select each one of these, holding Control while I select them, and do the same thing. This time I'm going to hit DM for Draw Axis, create my imaginary axis line. There we go. I have created now another set of tables. Pretty easy, right? Now pause your video and you can try practice 2 on your own. How'd you do? It's pretty easy, right? Once you get the hang of the mirror functions, they can be very useful. I've included the cheat sheets down below so you can see what I did on each practice. Feel free to check your work. I hope you found this video helpful. GAI offers several training options to help designers learn Revit. Right now we have a special offer. If you sign up through our website, you can get all 6 modified tool tutorials for free. Each video shows you how to use the modified tools in Revit. This includes trimming corners, trimming and extend, align elements, rotate and align components, array, move and copy, and of course this one with mirroring. This is ideal for interior designers just getting started in Revit. Each video includes a practice exercise that will help you use the various tools in less than 5 minutes. To get this great offer, go to gainteriorsolutions.com/Revit Tools to sign up today.